Hi, my name's Amy Bernine. Um, I am a kindergarten teacher in Mulvane. Mulvane's in Kansas. It is a small district south of Wichita. We have about 125 to 140 kids per grade level. My kindergarten team has 7 teachers, and we're all in the same building. So I am currently the remote kindergarten teacher. So I have all the kids that have chosen to go remote only. So I have used a lot of technology, some new technology things that I hadn't used before in my classroom to make my classroom all online. Um, I've gotten pretty used to videoing myself, doing all the things that I wasn't very comfortable with prior to this year. So one of my strengths in technology is being able to figure things out. I just click and figure out like how to make the technology work. Other teachers come to me all the time for help on things that they need help with, technology wise. What some of my weaknesses? I don't really like to put myself out there that much, but I have gotten better at it because who knows who's watching my videos that I'm creating for my teaching videos. Another weakness maybe is the ability to get technology into kindergartners' hands. Sometimes I might not have the funds, or the school might not want to fund the ideas that I do have. And oftentimes, as a kindergarten teacher, there's lots of great technology tools out there available, but it's sometimes more difficult to come up with the idea of how to make that kindergarten friendly. There's a lot of things I can do, but there's some things that I needs to have older students. The things that I would like to get out of the class is just to integrate new technology in new ways and learn some new ideas of new technology tools for my online students to utilize, as well as for me to be able to teach others also better. All right, thanks.